I'm currently looking for the less cheesiest way to say this without sounding very chummy or whatnot, and this is the best I've got. If you're looking for the best place to learn about virtual assistants from scratch without a budget, then allow me to welcome you to my brand new series titled Virtual Assistants for Beginners, the A to Z guideline. In this series, I'm going to be talking about a whole lot of things. Count it as your cheat sheet to the world of virtual assistants without paying a dime. The only thing I need you to do, of course, is to like the videos that I post under this series, share, make comment, and just turn on post notifications so that you get the series every time it drops. In this series, I'm going to be discussing how to become a virtual assistant, who virtual assistants are, how to prepare for interviews, how to prepare for discovery calls, how to even get clients, and how to perform in your first 90 days of your first job as a virtual assistant. Count this as that particular series that is going to turn your life around, that it will be so difficult to believe that you are getting all of this information for free. Yeah, if you watched my Ask Me Anything video, you will definitely understand the reason why I am doing this, and I'm really excited because of course I am dedicated to sharing how you, if you can read in English, you can write in English and speak in English. I'm interested and invested in teaching how you can become a virtual assistant so that you can increase your chances of escaping poverty, and I hope you're ready for me. This series is going to be dropping every Tuesday, definitely aside from my weekly videos that drops on YouTube, and that means that we're going to be having 2 YouTube videos every week. Oh my god, I hope that I can keep up. Alright, I'm really excited, and I hope you're as excited as I am. And just in case you want to know why I'm actually starting this series and why I'm going to be giving all of this information for free, the reason is because I am really tired of seeing people say they want to become virtual assistants but they don't have a budget, not being able to learn on their own. I'm also tired of seeing people that say, oh my god Jen, I have learned about virtual assistants but I still do not know how to start. So this series is just going to help you go from 0 level, beginner level, to pro level, and also teach you how you can perfect your job when you land your job. Alright, see you in my first video.